In this video, I will show you how to delete Odoo website. So in order to delete your Odoo website, first things first what we need to do is to make sure to unpublish it. You can see that the website right now is currently published. So make sure to click onto this toggle option, and as you can see, it's now been unpublished. Next thing we need to do is we need to head over and head back to our actual dashboard, and then head over and click onto this website in here again. Now we still have in here this, and as you can see, the unpublished option has now disappeared. From in here, head back again and then head over to the settings and then click onto the search and search in here for developer and click onto this activate developer mode. And then from in here, make sure to activate it, and in here this should be able to load. So wait for it, and then once it's been enabled, you should be able to see in here this. So head over here to this website. Once you have activated your developer mode, head over again to your website, and then from in there, go over to the configuration and click onto this website's option. And now we have this in here, so you can click onto this checkbox, and here click onto this actions, and then click onto this delete option, and click onto this delete button. Now click onto this close right here because we first need to head over and then create another website in order to delete another one.